I want to replace this old looking emblem for my Mini Cooper, but this one should be an easy task, right? Just gotta pop this thing off. I'm gonna apply a little bit of heat and that should help. A trusty porta cable heat gun, and I have a couple of these plastic wedgie interior upholstery thingamabobbers, just enough to get that adhesive soft. Ooh, that's hot already. Well, the grime is off. That's just that leftover adhesive at this point. Try to scrape a little bit off. The replacement badge that I have does not have these two studs or posts to help with the alignment, so I'm gonna have to try my best. Trying to lift off the backing without the other side of the adhesive to lift off the badge itself. Try to do good here. New, old.